In this video, I will guide you on how to use Grok AI on Android. The first thing you want to do is download and install the app. For that, launch open Play Store. Now you want to tap on the search bar and here search for Grok AI. Go ahead and open this app right here, then tap on the install option. Now wait for this to be downloaded. After it has been downloaded, launch it open. Now you will have to log into your account. You can log in using your email address, Google account, or X account. Choose your preferred one. I'm going to select Google account. Now enter your credentials and you will be signed into your account. Now this is how the interface is going to look like. Start by exploring it. You can select the Try Super Grok option. You can select the create videos option, edit image, voice mode. There is also the option of open camera and customize Grok. So select whichever option you want. If you head over to Imagine, from here you can generate videos and images. Now you can simply type in your query over here and start interacting with Grok AI. You can also select different modes from here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.